In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a cell horizontally in Google Sheets. Now, it's important to understand that Google Sheets doesn't currently offer an automatic function to split cells horizontally. So we'll need to tackle this task manually. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step. To get started, the very first step you'll want to take is selecting the merged cell you wish to split. Simply click on it, and you'll see it highlighted. This indicates that the cell is ready for the next move. It's essential to make sure you have the correct cell selected, as any actions will be applied to this specific area of your sheet. Once you've selected your merged cell, our next action is to unmerge it. To do this, look for the Merge button on the toolbar. It looks like two rectangles merging into one. Click on that button, and your cell will instantly unmerge, revealing multiple individual cells. Think of the merged cell as layers of bricks. It seemed like one unit, but with the click of that button, you've separated them into individual components again. Now that the cells are unmerged, we have reached the step that requires the most attention to detail: transferring the data manually. Look at your sheet and decide where each piece of data should go. You'll need to distribute the information from the original merged cell into these newly created cells. This means you'll be copying or cutting the data and pasting it into the new cells according to where you need it. It's helpful to have a plan before you start moving things around. Consider what purpose each newly formed cell will serve, so you maintain the coherence of your data layout. This way, you can organize the information in a way that makes the most sense for your specific needs. While this method means a bit more work on your part, it allows for complete customizability of your spreadsheet. And remember, while it might seem like a lot initially, with practice, you'll find this task becomes second nature, and that's all there is to it. As you become more familiar with Google Sheets, you'll discover many different ways to make it work for you, including this handy technique of effectively managing and manipulating your data manually. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out other Google Sheets tips on our channel. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!